Understanding Grain Boundaries in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, grain boundaries. This phrase is not only interesting in its literal sense, but also in its metaphorical usage. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning behind grain boundaries and how you can use it in your everyday English. In its most literal sense, grain boundaries refers to a concept in materials science. Imagine a metal or a rock. These materials are made up of tiny crystals or grains. The borders where these grains meet are called grain boundaries. These boundaries impact the properties of the material, like its strength and how it reacts to heat. This literal meaning is mostly used in scientific contexts. More interestingly, grain boundaries can be used metaphorically. In everyday English, it might describe the limits or edges of something less tangible, like an idea, a situation, or a field of study. For example, if someone says, "We're exploring the grain boundaries of this theory," they mean they are examining the very edges or limits of what the theory can explain. Let's see how grain boundaries can be used in sentences. 1. Scientific context. The researchers focused on the grain boundaries to improve the metal's durability. 2. Metaphorical usage. In our discussion, we tried not to go beyond the grain boundaries of the topic. I hope this video has helped clarify the phrase, grain boundaries, for you. Whether you're discussing science or using it as a metaphor to describe the limits of something, this phrase can add depth to your conversation. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to push the grain boundaries of your English learning journey. See you in the next video.